purpose of this video is for you, while using molarity and volume, to calculate the amount of solute present. Now this would mean someone saying how much sugar in there if you know the molarity of it and the volume. How much sugar is in there. Now, this is a picture of our answer, not in a sense just to give you an idea what we're looking for. Essentially, you're calculating a gram amount, and that gram amount represents some amount of a solid. Now, we need to consider this is the molarity pyramid. To use the molarity pyramid, what you do is you cover up what you want to solve for. We want to solve for molarity. So molarity is, mole solute is equal to molarity times volume of solute. So I cover up what I want to know, and that becomes His, and then I write out the formula. It's molarity times volume of solvent. Now, let's say I wanted to solve for volume of solvent. That becomes moles of solute divided by the molarity. That's how we use the molarity pyramid. And this thing is my molarity pyramid. All right. So here's our problem. You have 200 milliliters of 0.55 molar NaOH, and you want to know how much sodium hydroxide is present. The first step is always what's our info. We know we've got 200 milliliters. This is the molarity. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to convert the milliliters to liters. We set up the bracket, we put it out, we do it, and we cancel our units, and we're left with this. All right. Now the next thing we do is we write out our formula, and our formula is solute is molarity times volume. All right. And I substitute and solve. So I know 2.2 liters, the version below, times 0.55 molar NaOH. So that's going to give me 0.11 moles of sodium hydroxide. Now, I'm going to need to convert that from moles to grams. Before I do that, I need to calculate the molar mass. So I find out the elements, I write down their masses, I write down how many of them are, I multiply this, so 23 times 1, 16 times 1, 1.1 times 1. I add those all up, it gives me 40 grams, and that 40 grams of NaOH equals 1 mole of NaOH. Now I'm ready to do my conversion, because now I have my conversion factor. So the first thing I do is I put my 0.11 stuff on a bracket. All right. And then I use my conversion factor to convert. This goes here, and this goes here, because this is a mole and that's a mole, and that's why I know they'll be diagonal. So I end up like this. The next step is I'm going to cancel my units. All right. And then I multiply across. 0.11 times 40 is 4.4 grams NaOH. 1 carries over, and it's just 1. So 4.4 divided by 1 gives me 4.4 grams of NaOH. Therefore, my answer is 4.4 grams of NaOH and 200 milliliters of 0.5 m molar NaOH. I thought the decimal should be right here. Just add another decimal right there. And you can X that one out. All right. I hope that has been helpful.